All right, guys, the rule of law. Read the following passage. These laws come from the Law of the 12 Tables, ancient Rome's first set of written laws. They were first displayed in Rome in 451 BCE. These laws were intended or meant to bring suspected criminals to justice by ensuring they make it to trial in court. So what this is saying that if there was a criminal, these laws were made to make sure that they came to court, okay? So proceeding preliminary to trial. Number one, if he, the plaintiff, so just so we know, the plaintiff, when we talk about a plaintiff, the plaintiff is the person who is bringing the lawsuit or who got hurt. The person is the plaintiff is the one who is suing someone. So if the plaintiff, the person is suing someone, summons the defendant, the person who's saying, I didn't do it, to court, the defendant has to go. If the defendant doesn't go, the plaintiff, he can call a witness. Then only the plaintiff shall take the defendant by force. So the person who is bringing the case against the other one, so the plaintiff is bringing the case against the defendant. If the defendant doesn't come, the plaintiff can go get him and make him come. Number two, if he, the defendant, the person who is being charged with a crime, attempted evasion or take flight, tries to leave, then the plaintiff shall lay hand on the defendant. So the person who is suing the one person can go and lay hands on the defendant. Basically, again, go get him. Number three, if disease or old age shall be an impediment, he who shall summon the defendant to court shall grant him a conveyance. So if you're old or sick and it causes you not to be able to go, he who shall summon the defendant to court shall grant him a conveyance, which means basically they'll grant him like a legal right not to come. Okay, so now go back to the discussion board and answer the questions.